Okay guys, so I have this mirror that's in the foyer, and it's almost already the color of the wall, but I wanted it to blend in a little bit more. So I'm thinking about taking some of these right here, and I'm going to put one right here, then one at the top, and then in the middle, and then right here, here, and there. And this way it's going to tie in all the other decor that's going to be in here, and especially on this table right here. So that's going to be a real easy makeover. So I'm just going to put the hot glue on and center one right here, like that. I think I like that. I like the way it's coming out, the simplicity of it as well. And all I'm doing is taking and putting the hot glue back here and the X like I did before. And I'm following the line that's right here. And then I'm going to do the middle. And then I'm going to move it up so you guys can see that one. And like I said, this is like a real quick updo of the mirror. And it will tie in with the rest of the decor. And that's just that quick, guys. You have a makeover of a mirror, and then it will tie in with the rest of the foyer as we go along. Don't forget to rate, comment, subscribe, like, and share. And remember, guys, I love you, I love you, I love you, I love you to the moon and back again.